Hello my creators, today we are going to make the box cum domino from the paper for the Teachers Day. For that material requires us some paper, scissor, pencil, marker pen, eraser, glue. Measurement is something like this. Let's start the video. First you have to take your white paper or basic sheet, whichever color you want to take it. We will start with the marking the half-inch line first, then 3-inch line, again 3-inch line, again 3-inch line, and one more last 3-inch line. Total we require the 4 3-inch line. Now in the slipping line again the half-inch line first, then 3-inch line, afterwards also one more 3-inch line, and again 3-inch line, and at the last half-inch line. Once you complete your drawing, you get the 12 3 by 3 inch square. Now first I will show you the extra part. This one is extra, we will cut this one. Before that, one more line we have to draw. In the first box, again the half-inch line, center box we leave, and then the half-inch line like this. And in the third box again the same half-inch line, half-inch line. Like this you have to mark a corner in the all half-inch line, and the cross mark area we are going to cut. Now once you complete the hole, we are going to cut this part now. So after cutting, it should be look like this. Once you complete your cutting, you have to scroll the all lines. Once you complete the scrolling, you have to take a square cutout paper, and in that paper you have to make a stitch line like this. Remember this square is smaller than the 3 inch. मतलब आपने जो 3 इंच का बेसिक स्क्वायर ड्रॉ करके कट किया है उससे हाफ सेंटीमीटर छोटा. Like this you have to complete your all 6 squares and different color paper. So like this you have to take all 6 papers, and now we are going to start the sticking work. We have to apply the Fevicol in the only border area like this. Like this one by one you have to stick the all color paper. Remember one more thing, when you stick this paper and before join the box, if you want to write something on the particular color paper, you have to write before the joining the box. If you want to make domino, you can use this box as a domino, and if you want to use this box as a gift box, you can use that also. So like this we can complete our paper sticking work. Give some time for to dry this work, and then we are going to start sticking a box. First I am showing you how you can use it as a box, and then we can make it domino. If you are going to use it as a box, you can stick the paper inside also. So now apply the Fevicol in the half inch area like this. spread it out with your finger first, then clean your finger in a rough handkerchief and then join the edges as I am showing you. Like this, you have to stick it proper from the all side. See, now this is your box ready. If you want to use it as a box, you can use it. But today we are making a domino, so we are going to stick this part. Once you complete the sticking work, you can give us some time to dry this domino. I hope you like this activity. Enjoy your domino. You can make the dots, even you can write the number and use it for the games. Thank you.